Hey guys, it's playtime. Today we have 8 cans of Play-Doh surprise. Let's see what's the surprises inside these Play-Doh cans. Let's start opening our first can of Play-Doh. Blue Play-Doh. Let's see what's inside. We have Cro-Minion. Let's open this pink Play-Doh. Looks like we have the Egyptian minion. This green Play-Doh we have there it is. We have Gunpowder Minion. Next, let's open this purple Play-Doh. We have the British Invasion Minion. Next, let's open this yellow can of Play-Doh. Here we got Minion Bob. And this blue Play-Doh we have the pirate minion. Aye, matey! Look at this orange Play-Doh. We have the board silly minion. This is the minion in New York City. Last can of Play-Doh. Green Play-Doh. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. And don't forget to subscribe. Have a good one.